What if I told you that investing just $100 a month could grow into more than $500,000? It sounds unrealistic. But what if the biggest factor wasn't how much you invested, but simply when you started? Today, we're going to compare four people. Each invests exactly $100 every month into VTI. No one invests more. No one picks winning stocks. The only difference is the age they begin investing. For these projections, I'm using conservative assumptions based on the long-term historical performance of the U.S. stock market through VTI. The future is never guaranteed, but this provides a realistic illustration of what consistent investing can accomplish over time. Before we begin, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute professional financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor, CPA, or attorney. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making investment decisions. With that out of the way, let's start with our oldest investor. Imagine you're 50 years old. You decide it's finally time to begin investing. Every month, you invest $100 into VTI. You stay invested for 10 years until you're 60. During that time, you've contributed $12,000. Thanks to long-term market growth and dividend reinvestment, your portfolio has grown to approximately $20,000. That portfolio is also generating roughly $240 every year in dividends, or about $20 every month. It's not enough to retire, but it's a solid start toward building long-term wealth. Now, let's rewind 10 years. You're 40 years old. You make the exact same decision. $100 every month. Nothing more. This time, you stay invested for 20 years. You've contributed $24,000. By age 60, your portfolio has grown to approximately $76,000. That's producing around $900 every year in dividends, or roughly $75 every month. Notice something. Adding just 10 more years didn't simply double your money. It nearly quadrupled it. That's the power of compound growth. Now, let's rewind another decade. You're 30 years old. Again, $100 every month. No market timing. No stock picking. Just consistency. After 30 years, you've invested $36,000 of your own money. But your portfolio has grown to approximately $226,000. That's generating roughly $2,700 every year in dividends, or about $225 every month. Now imagine seeing that account balance after investing only $100 a month. That's what decades of compounding can do. But we're not finished yet. Now imagine you're only 20 years old. You begin investing $100 every month. Nothing fancy. No massive inheritance. No six-figure income. Just consistency. 40 years later, you've personally invested $48,000. Only $12,000 more than the 30-year-old investor. Yet because you gave your investments another 10 years to grow, your portfolio has reached approximately $632,000. That's producing around $7,600 every year in dividends, or roughly $630 every month. Think about that. The 20-year-old didn't invest dramatically more money. They simply gave their investments more time. That's the lesson. Compound growth doesn't care how much money you start with. It rewards patience. Whether you're 20, 30, 40, or even 50, the best time to start investing was years ago. The second best time is today, because every month you wait is one less month your money has to grow. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more investing projections, ETF comparisons, and simple strategies for building long-term wealth, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.